Welcome friends, I want to show you how you can change the size of the logo on this particular theme that we're using on a Joomla platform. So to change the size of this, that is the width and the height, what you need to do, this is hosted online. I'm logging in to the back end of my system. If you're on a local host, you can still follow through the same step. So I'm logging in, then I will open to the directory. So here I'll click on public HTML. I'll click on public HTML. My Joomla folder is Joomla 44. Then I'll go to template. Then I'll click on my template. Then from here, I will click on CSS. Then I have template.css. I will right click here and click edit. So if you go to line from 1982 up to 1999, this is where you have information about the logo. So first of all, this tells us that the image is this. So if you like to change the image name, this is where to change it. So that logo name is this menu foreground 00.png, but this is where you change the width and the height. Once you make your changes here and you save this, then it will definitely affect the size of the logo that you have here. So I'm working online now. So assuming you're working from your local system, so the path will change slightly. So let me show you what I have here. So because I'm online, since I'm online, this is the path that I've just used. Let me increase the font size here. So this is the path I've just used because I've been online. But if you're working from a local system, so it will be something like this. It will be htdocs, like c:\xampp/htdocs. Then your folder name, whatever folder you're using to host your Joomla, will be here. Then the template, the theme, CSS, edit on this. Go to between line 1982 to 1999. You see information about your logo and you can change the width and the height as you desire. Thank you for listening.